So this is what happens, guys, when you have a leak in your bathroom vanity and you don't notice it for about a month. I have to take apart everything on the side. As you see, I got one side down. I'm replacing that side, replacing the whole bottom, replacing the kick panel, and I have a spot for that. The only thing I'm going to be reusing is this back brace and the front. And the only reason I'm using the front is because I don't have everything to replace everything here. Now I use this Price Fister. This is a great product. I have no quarrels with that. This did not leak. Lifetime warranty on everything here. But these leaked. Not from here, but down in my shutoff valves. It would not stop leaking. These went straight in, well, with a slight bend, as you can see, but they would not stop leaking. I do not recommend this style at all. If you get a bathroom faucet or any faucet, do not use the style that they come with. All right, hold on. I'm going to show you the ones I recommend. This is the style I recommend. They have a crush, well, a washer that goes up to the faucet, and this will seal on the top piece. Usually it's 1/2 inch. Don't quote me on it. I know mine is 1/2 inch. Yours might not be. And then the bottom is 3/8 with another washer style. This eliminates a lot of problems I've been having. And I have to get mine a little longer just because I don't want to go straight in. Do measure from your faucet down. They come in usually even numbers. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. I know they have a 24, that style. These here are 20 inches. I probably could get away with 16 inches, but I was an idiot and bought a 20 inch. These, as you see, go into the shutoff valves. Don't use them. Don't. I've had nothing but problems from this. I've tried, as you can see, I've tried plumber's tape and everything. It does not work. These are junk. You can pick these up from $5 to $10 each, depending on what size you need. This is what I'm going with. And I'll show you that after, because the front's not going to change. Technically the side's not, because I'm painting them exactly the same, but I'm showing you what you might have to go through for a leak. All this is going to be painted, so I should have stopped anything if anything continued. Hopefully I'll have an update soon. So as I promised, an update. As you can see, I got the cabinet back together. Yeah, all these nail holes I'm going to paint over, caulk and paint over. But we have a new bottom, side piece, side. Yep. Oh, where is it? Back. And toe kicker. And yeah, that's my heating. I don't know who designed it, but hey, I gotta deal with it. It wasn't that bad to do this. I had the old piece as a template. I would tell you that if you got one that you like and you're trying to fix, the plywood cost me $40. As you can see, 1/2 inch. 4x8 sheet. I had the store cut it down to manageable size so I can start ripping it. And it's not that bad. Is this a great high quality cabinet? Hell no. But it's what I've got. And it keeps me from buying a new one, which would have been low quality for $330 for this size. And yeah, I had to do a little plumbing work in there, but other than that, not bad. Tape line where you can see where when I taped it off, the color matches pretty dang good. That's only one coat right there. I want to do a second coat on it, but it's coming along. So yeah, I'll get this banged out real quick and show you some updates later. Alright, yay, caulking time. So I got some touch-ups to do. I am no professional at this. I do what I can. I'm just a homeowner. So there's no real change in the way it looks, because this is the same. The only thing I replaced, like I was saying, is everything around it. The home stretch, starting in 2020, ending in 2021. Go figure. Yeah, I gotta fix all that stuff too. But hey, this is what it's like being a homeowner, just fixing stuff. And it all started with a leak. I know I'm using gimmicky tools, but they work for right now. And I haven't had a problem with them so far. Anyways, catch you guys in a while. So it is finally done. There's still some things I need to fix on this old beast of a Vanity, but it's finally done. It's caulked back together. This is a fun 4-day trip. And it all started with these things. As soon as you see them, get rid of them. What else can I say? But here's the best part. New lines. New piece of CPVC. Broke it. Oops. But no leaks. Nothing like that. All for a nice faucet. Replacing this thing was the best and worst decision of my life. I love the faucet. Hated the leaks. But anyways, have a good one. And what can I... Fly. Even in winter, you can't escape them. I'm going to get you later.